Dumelang, tsela ke Oma Ngina from Mamello, Covid Valley, Kodwan. Ke na le di-residents tsa rona monana, ana tulo ya rona, a very poor one, from a settlement. So ha rena dintho tse ngata, we don't have infrastructure, we don't have houses, ha rena electricity, we don't have schools. Re na le clinic of which operates certain days. Ka matsatsi a mang we don't have clinic. Either look like about 3 weeks without a clinic. And if it operates like a week, it doesn't come every day. So if you want to come to the clinic, I'm going to wake up on my phone. You can just imagine. Then after that they cut. They take only certain number. And we also have a fire station. Valmarine. But what's surprising for harina ambulance is standby for so if you are sick, of which you need to spend 800 for the car. And where's the third party chronic? We have elderly people in our community. Chronic. So you can imagine if Mutamulu at 3 weeks or a month as I told you medication then what's gonna happen? Yeah. We don't have schools. If by never they need to travel with the buses. And they need to wake up early in the morning by 5 o'clock when a young as 6 years or 7 years, so they need to travel but 6 4 or 5. So the whole day so that is striking.
And the colors attend the whole Banama Balabotikelo, Roma Balabohitli high school from grade 8 upwards. I'm never a Hitleback. The high school to Hitleback. Who attended secondary good and a good same for ban. The Pula had in Banamatamis with Carapet. One alley, the Coledia, the best. The tower got to trouble the accident. That.
We also don't have graveyards. Every time to kill it. Or go Denisville. So of which the residents we need to pay for 7,000 for Tolem Kotikamo from Kamunan. So you can just imagine the to cover the funeral. And also that extra cost is costing close to 10K just for the funeral. So that's a strike. And we are under the DA municipality. We've been under DA. It's been years.
And about so good Shamba put something how none to be terrible again. Pashabani Lima fair. Don't know about how none to go to Sangayo. Because if it's about toilet today, keep plastic into your chest. How next will come for Flelo Utoria. Umutamut. Hanel Mahoka vacated toilet to the flasher.
Mona motho ka hlabana ka clinic ya rona right ka o ne yetse ditso re apare ba bona ke curtain which is wrong ba re fail man I ba fail nna ke bohloko ke kwatile hlaile 1992 since ke le ha ona phetho ngana ba ka se bile ba le baholo ha ona phetho etsahalang ha ona ditsela ha ona dikontiri ha ona metsi re nwa metsi a ditshila re dula re tshware ke mala every day ke metsi a ganwa nna ke kwatile ba tlo bua shanto kwatile Mid Valley ya fail
hana tse rena le di tulo ka mola ebe hetleng go mamela go sokodiso ka mo tsa re dutse ka heduletse ka motho tsa go hotela ba sa sebetsi ba sa tswala bona ba dutse hantle ka ke kwa go Cape Town bona mo dula diplasing a tse kae
Nice, I like to come on 1981. How na petrol? Formal settlement. Metsi a nkenela ka tlung. Finisher dia senya motho o dula o change finisher every now. Mara tšhelete ai ona thekena go luksetsa. Nna fela from 1992 kana go rena title tsa rona tsa di sebetsa. Go dula nna ke ata
So we were pleading with the leadership. And we pleaded. So please intervene masipala wa DA because they're really under apartheid. We don't know the democracy. kasi ha rena yona
Ntate Ramaphosa tla
ha rena
tlo
yona.
thusa hle ke kopa thuso ya Ntate Ramaphosa tlango wa Marina mo o tlo iponela le wena jwalo ka president hore batho ba bang ha ba dula monate ke kopa o tle ha e hloka thuso ya hao ha e hloka.
Let me see from housing. Can you please intervene? From health, can you please intervene?
Yes.
Leadership, can you please intervene and help us win this fight? We are ready. We are fighting. We only want a better life in the home. National getting cash.
Yes.
Thank you.
motho hae o ba tswela pele o etsa dinku dikgomo ko phela le go selela emanzini a le ka tla mo pula enele a le ka nna
a hlaga mesekgo
metsi a tapela fela mo fatshe a emelela fela mo fatshe
a runya fa o ka fase
ka ntle hohle re kena ka diretse ka matlong lwana jo kana kena sheba duma bete ke beile di-plastic ke tsetsa pula ha e kana ntse ke dutse ka ntle ka
Morning le sa bule council e ya lekgowa council nna ke lekgowa
a re tsebe a re tsebe next council ya lekgowa
council tiwo ko masipala
ayetse next kunini sahlala labazalwana
yo fotela motho wa lona
angimazi nokumazi angifuni uqamba amanga
fotela motho wa lona o teng konje ke manje
ukaye motho wa rona kona ri qala utswa pintsoko ngapa ke leshano ana qala utsokolo be o hlela thamdimo ene uhlala intsokolo be utla re etsetsa re tse ene untsokolo uyosebenza la sizelele isifa akuna bani ozayo ozayo bathu umntana mtena abaleka ngenkuna ngena akapa abanye abantu baphutha izandla sikamadoda
samba naye
bona le kereke
ke a fana le di sebedisang wa di tshifisa motho wa nkgono wa ka ha bohloko jwang nkgono wa ka sana motho hona jwale
Bona ba dutse di-belongings tsa bona kaofela. Ke tsa bona le bilena ID. And then all the belongings. O la tjha mokgoko wa tjha wa bo wa fela. So hana next. And she's a mother a phelang ka disability ha tsebe ho bua. Let me see Mabula, we are pleading with you. Ya o kopa ke o assist o tlhokomela a thusehe. And le bona wa hae wa mshimane o bala ko tikelo na sena issues hana tsona so ra kopa le go thusa go re kgone go mothusa le ka di-ID certificate tsa bana
title deed o le na le title deed mathata go tshwanetse re thole le bona o tsa thole go tsa mo bona clinic e sa buleng every day
a ri la ya bo ba kula
ka mo ambulance o bana ba kena dikolo